Hey guys, so today I'm going to be cleaning out my motor engine bay in my Audi A4 2008. It hasn't been cleaned like forever, so it's like very disgusting. There's like grease and a little bit of oil stains, and just where the grease like absorbed a bunch of dirt and particles and all that from the road and just debris in general. So I'm gonna clean it all up. I'm gonna use a bunch of like different stuff to clean it. And then I'm going to have to probably run downtown for some things quick, depending on what I have and don't have. So I'm going to start it by just dry cleaning it, and then probably running downtown to get some cleaning utensils. Okay, so this is what it looks like before. Really dirty and just disgusting everywhere. Under here, just, it just all needs to be wiped down and stuff and clean. So I'm going to do that. Clean up all this like grease and dirt and stuff. I also have the cover for all the stuff I need to get to at my house, so I'll have to do that too. Like, it's just all dirty and stuff, so I'm gonna do that, and yeah. Okay, so I just got some towels here. I'm just gonna start wiping everything down here. I might get the air compressor out, I'm not sure yet, but it's already dirty as we're going here. So just gonna start cleaning. You don't really gotta watch out for anything yet while you're wiping things down. You just don't want to push too hard on something like a piece of plastic or a connector or somewhere along the line, but just take it easy, wipe it. I always want to dry clean things first here, because if you don't, they could just stick and make more of a mess and mud and stuff. So just trying to dry clean it, and then yeah. Alright, so I got a little where I used a little air chuck thing there, but this is gonna take definitely a little while here. So patience, but you'll see your progress as you go. Okay, so I've watered it, dried it. Kind of looks the same. It's nothing too clean, but I kind of like it. It looks a little bit better. I'm gonna use these random like metal polisher and mirror glaze stuff. This should kind of work as like a wax. I'm gonna use the metal stuff on like this aluminum and actually like little tin, whatever you want to call it, stuff here, and on the frame components a little bit, and some other metal parts, and then should look a little better. Okay, so I'm pretty much done now. I just cleaned up my motor. This is what it looks like. It's a lot cleaner than it was before. The hood is like brand new on the inside here. Everything's clean. It smells pretty weird, but it's gonna take a minute to get used to the smell. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and have a good day.